I'm in this shit for the profit. I'm just trying to make moves that I had niggas astonished. I just gotta be honest, I want it all, I promise. I'm confident, I win to the devil, I'm the hottest. We young and black, we got the city on our back. For a fact, trying to shine, kick other niggas off the map. I'm getting it out the soil, I ain't never had to move crack, but I'm still touching money and watching this shit stack. Real niggas moving silent, just stay on the right track. TNO, we got the talent, we're bringing our city back.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Benny G Buckets
and George, aka Sticks.
and we're back to business as usual.
Today, guys, we're going to be doing a custom that you have probably seen before if you're into sneakers. However, we're going to be doing the same custom twice on 2 different pairs of shoes.
That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get started.
Alright guys, so as we did mention earlier, you see we have 2 pairs of shoes. Both of these shoes will be receiving the same custom, so whatever we do to one shoe, we will be doing to the other. First step to any custom, as always, is preparation. So we're going to go ahead and clean the hell out of these shoes because they are a little bit beat. Then once that's done, we're going to be preparing them using acetone and cotton balls. Once that's done, we are also going to sand the patent leather down so that way we can ensure durability. And then once that's done, we'll be ready to paint. Right before we're ready to paint, we'll go ahead and check back in one more time to let you know the process of the next step. Let's go ahead and get done with step 1, and then we'll see what to do from there.
For them days I was hopeless, grinding to the top, little nigga, you don't know shit. Niggas beat me down and pick me up like they don't know shit. Niggas beat me down and pick me up like they don't know shit. Shit, the niggas on that hush shit. Niggas say they rockin' but moving the same motion. I've been climbing to the top of the chain like you ain't know it. Niggas switched up in your range, just how I wrote it. Put me in a field, you know that I bounce back. Catch a sucker slippin', put him in a body bag. Put me in a field, you know that I bounce back. Catch a sucker slippin', put him in a body bag.
Alright guys, so now that they've been cleaned and acetone down, the next step is to go ahead and get them prepared to be painted. As you guys can see on the soles of this shoe, they are very yellowed. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to unyellow this, but we're only going to be unyellowing this pair because that's what the client paid for. While these are being unyellowed or in the process of getting unyellowed, I'm going to go ahead and take these, and Ben's going to unyellow these on camera as well. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we can move into the next step.
Don't you know that I'm that nigga? I was born in the Bay, but I got niggas twisting fingers from the Bay to LA. You know, like on my demons, I done got a little clout, bitches wanna eat my semen. Oh Jesus, diamonds on me gleaming. This one of my niggas, we gon' slide, we gon' freeze them. Never been a lame, I don't never wanna be it. When I slide, I beat it down, I'ma kill the heartbeat. I didn't have niggas fold like a flip phone. Okay, I the fuck doing kick those. I didn't have niggas fold like a flip phone. Okay, I the fuck doing kick those. You can have that bitch, I didn't hit those. I'm a pressure to my bro, cause I hit those. You can have that bitch, I didn't hit those. I'm a pressure to my bro, cause I hit those.
L at the elbow, turned them L's into blessings. After my first loss, I turned them L's into lessons. Told mama I gotta sit back and watch it, no more stress. Cause I've been grinding for this shit, working harder than a mess. Lord knows, I ain't living right. So if a nigga try me, he gon' taste this fire. Lord knows, I ain't living right. So if a nigga try me, he gon' taste this fire. Everything I ever lost, guaranteed I get it back. Only loss I ever took was death, cause they ain't coming back. Pop didn't get to see his son go up, it ain't no fun in that. Pop didn't get to see his son go up, it ain't no fun in that. What if Dr. King was president, you ever thought of that? I done been walked over, stepped on like a doormat. Niggas swear they feel with loyalty, but I swear that it's no test. Biting from the hand that feeds you, nigga, what you call that? That's the type of shit that make me rearrange your ball cap. That's the type of shit that make me rearrange your ball cap. I'm rockin' Robin now, y'all can take them truths back. What was bitches back when I was using food stamps? Anything I ever lost, guaranteed I get it back. Only loss I ever took was death, cause they ain't coming back. Pop didn't get to see his son go up, it ain't no fun in that. Pop didn't get to see his son go up, it ain't no fun in that. Anything I ever lost, guaranteed I get it back. Only loss I ever took was death, cause they ain't coming back. Guaranteed I get it back. Only loss I ever took was death, cause they ain't coming back.
Driving crazy, switching lanes, trying to get my money back. Went down 100 grams, now watch me get my money back. And I'm about to double that, slinging dubs and quarter sacks. Nigga, you can get at that, anything for the cash. If niggas tripping quick to pop a nigga like a Percocet. If niggas tripping quick to pop a nigga like a Percocet. Niggas tripping quick to pop a nigga like a Percocet.
Alright, so now that the spray painting of the upper is complete, the next step is going to be to make the sock liners match. On the Legend Blues, they're already black, so we're going to make this pair black. What we're going to do to get that done is we're going to mix GAC 900 with flat black. This will keep the sock liner soft and also make it black, as we're trying to make these both match. So let's go ahead and get started on that.
You can't stand me, these bitches gon' choose. So bitch unhand me, so I can move. No, you can't have me, I'm not that dude. So you can't stand me, I make my own moves. I know you can't stand me, my buzz down so.
Alright guys, so now that the uppers are completely painted and the sock liners are matching, the next step is to go ahead and add the finishing touches to the shoe. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to touch up the white here on the midsole, whatever imperfections there are, we're going to fix those. And then also the Jumpman, we're going to go ahead and make sure to paint that white. So let's go ahead and get into that, and then we'll finish with the final step, which we'll talk about in a little bit. Let's go ahead and get it.
No, you can't stand me, my buzz down so fancy. You got slow feet, I would wanna be ya. I'm expensive, I'm high like some reefer. Collect my deposits from divas. I'm buzzed down, you know the procedure. I fly, no landing. My diamonds are dancing.
Alright guys, now the stencils have been created, so all we're going to do is paint that onto the patent leather.
I make my own moves. I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy. I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy.
You made it clear that you tired of my fuckery. If I wasn't that nigga, would you still fuck with me? If I lost it all, would you still be in love with me? If you knew about my past, would you still want my company? Psych, I ain't here for your feelings or your heart, bitch. Accepting fees when you in need of this hard dick. If you looking for my love, then you in the wrong department. You say you love me, I beg your pardon. Your love is plastic too, we have an understanding. This dick fantastic, she love me, but she can't stand me. Oh, no, you can't stand me. I'm too fly and don't plan on landing.
No, you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy.
Oh, I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so it's so fancy. Run the bands, I'm tryna run these bands up. It's TNO, I see why they can't stand us. Goonies go, got bitches going aimless. We rockin' shows, we can do this shit for days, bruh. We gon' shut it down, alright. Ooh, it's going down all night. Shorty peek, she might get down on sight, but she say she can't stand me.
You can't stand me, these bitches gon' choose. So bitch unhand me, so I can move. No, you can't have me, I'm not that dude. So you can't stand me, I make my own moves.
I would never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people, for my people, for my people. Some niggas folded on me, but I never fold. Fuck niggas, but I don't fuck with those. Can't even grinding, nigga. You know I'm on my toes. I do this for my mama, I put that on my soul. Your baby boy done did it now. Yeah, he killing now. Yeah, they fuck with me now. Yeah, okay, I'm that nigga now. But niggas want me down, come flicking knockdown. Yeah, I just wanna put my fam on, so we ain't gotta stress no more. We ain't gotta stress no more. And when I'm down, just hold me down low. I promise it won't be for long. Promise it won't be for long. Cause I put my all in this shit, so I'm going off of this shit. Yeah. I'm going off of this shit, cause I put my all in this shit.
I was taught to never fall, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people.
Alright, that's the end of this video.
If you guys liked that video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you can, please go to the comment section, let us know how you felt about it, the content, the way the shoes came out. Leave us all that feedback in the comment section, and if you guys are ever interested in getting some work done, go ahead and click on the description below, and we have all our contact information right there waiting for you.
Also in the description, you can find the link to our website, which is spr15.com, where you can find some heat, you can find some steals, you can find some fresh merch, anything you need. And today's quote of motivation is, don't be afraid to give up the good to shoot for the great. So from your boys here at SneakPeak, Benny G Buckets.
And George, aka Sticks.
It's only one way.
Let's get it. That's cool. Good job, brother.
Never fall, never change, never switch on my people. If we eat, then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any